So today could be a really, really dangerous day to trade because we have CPI. So guys, I was not able to catch the CPI move this morning. It happened just about 8 minutes ago. However, I am looking for a retracement trade. So over to my chart. And the good thing about trading after the news, as most of you have to because you're trading prop firms, and maybe some of your brokers do not want you to trade during the news, is that you can see where price has gone and you can catch the retracement. Sometimes it's better to know the tone that price has set rather than predicting it. So what I was looking for was to target the previous day's low. As you can see, this candle did not get us there. We did wick down and then make our way back up. And then we have this candle here. Looks like we went up just a little bit, and price dropped down for CPI, and it looks like it could now be making its way for a retracement. Let's have a look on the 1 hour time frame. So part of the reason why I did not place my trade today is because I had this area of interest right up here, and I wanted to see this high being taken out. And I'm not saying that it can't happen, because it very well can, but we have to be mindful of what our objective is. I was looking for ultimately for today or the news to take out the lows, one being the previous day's low and the previous day's low before that. This candle actually broke this low. We closed beneath it. There was imbalance before price started to come up and fill it in. And this was the CPI move for today. So now, guys, I am looking for a retracement trade. I am seeing if we can get back in this area and I can target the low, or I'm willing to wait a little bit longer for my setup. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for price to possibly make its way back to where it started today. After waiting for some time, price has come back to the top of this area where it first sold off for CPI today. As you can see, this was an OB. This was the exact area where we got the sell-off, and I did wait quite some time, maybe 40 minutes for the retracement to come back into this area right up here, created some supply. I did enter in the OB, so I'm up about $600 at the moment, 700. So I am going to let this run and see what profit I'm able to score. So 900. Okay, we're kind of like fluctuating within that area. Back to 400. Okay, guys. So after waiting all of this time, price did make its way back to my area of interest, back where we first started, guys. And this is my CPI trade, $7,000. I'm gonna get to eight grand, guys. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the 8 grand. Oh, 774. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take the 74 $100, and just to go back over that particular trade. Here was the entry, guys. We created supply and we dropped. I could have held on to that trade just even until the previous day's low. But that is my CBI trade for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it.